Good morning, Keller Williams, and welcome back to the KW Command 66-Day Challenge 8.0, and today is day 41. Today we embark on a brand new applet. We are going to dive into designs and start getting into the marketing aspects that we have available inside of Command, 4 different main key assets that we can create. And today we're going to start off by creating a neighborhood marketing video. So let's dive into the Designs applet. That is our paintbrush icon here on the left-hand side. And we will click on Designs. When we do, we are going to come into basically what is our Designs library. Now you can see, because we haven't gotten into Designs yet, our design library is completely empty. So the first thing that we need to do is start creating new designs, and we're going to do that several over the next few days. The first one we're going to create of the 4 assets is a short marketing video about a specific neighborhood. So we're going to click on Create Design. You'll see we get 4 selections. And the one on the far right hand side, this is a video based option. We're going to choose video and then next. You can see the first thing it's going to ask us for this neighborhood marketing video is which neighborhood you want to use. Now, if you remember back when we discussed smart plans back in kind of day 11, 12, 13, we talked about how KW Command has a partnership connection with Nextdoor. So when we're looking for these neighborhoods, these are Nextdoor based neighborhoods. Now, don't fret if your neighborhood is not a Nextdoor neighborhood or you've got some feelings specifically about neighborhoods. It's okay. All of the stats that are about to be provided based upon the neighborhood you select can all be changed, and the actual name of the neighborhood can be changed. So we're going to type in Fawn Lake Pine Lakes, because I know, oops, I guess I got to spell it right. Fawn Lake, there we go. We're going to search for that neighborhood. This is the neighborhood here in Katy that I used to live in, so I know that I can select that neighborhood easily, and I'm going to click on Next. Now again, remember, if you can't find your neighborhood, just pick any of them. We're going to have a lot of opportunity to change all of the data coming up next. So I'm going to click on Next, and it's actually going to bring us in the neighborhood name, which is required but is changeable. So again, remember, if you can't find your neighborhood, just pick any neighborhood. We could change this neighborhood name to Martyville, right? It's then going to pull in some stats with regards to the average home price, price per square foot, number of homes for sale, and average days on market, and then talk a little bit about whether home prices are rising, falling, or staying steady. Same thing with price per square foot. Now, we all have access as agents to the MLS. Let's say you actually go and do a full CMA or market analysis on Martyville. You decide that the average home price, you know what? Prices in Martyville are a little more expensive because it's such a nice neighborhood. We're going to put the average home price at $1 million. Now, those are some pretty big houses over there in Martyville. The average price per square foot is more like $250 per square foot. And you know what? There's only one house for sale, but when they go for sale, man, they go quick. Home prices, right now they're holding steady, as is the price per square foot. So you can see I literally just went in and changed all 7 of the data points to mark what I believe is correct about the specific neighborhood that I want to create a video for. Next up, we've got neighborhood features, and we do have a list of potential neighborhood features to choose from. It's a pretty interesting list. So I would take some time and sort of go through here and make sure that it's in line with what you believe the neighborhood is. It's kind of pulling these in sort of randomly. I don't know if any of these are going to apply. So let's just say I'm going to select my own 3. I'm going to come in here and we're going to look through and I'm going to say, there are a lot of dog lovers in the neighborhood. What else? Let's go through the list. It's a friendly community, so let's definitely choose that one. And I'm going to keep scrolling through and let's see something else. There's a lot of trails in the neighborhood, so we'll say outdoorsy. Cool. Again, remember, there is a little bit of animation in the video, and these neighborhood features you choose, there will be an animation based loosely around them. That's really the only thing that they're leading to inside of the video. Next up, we're going to verify that our agent information is correct. We've got our agent photo, first and last name, job title, email, and phone number. For some reason that didn't come over, so we'll put in the phone number there. And then we're going to verify our market center information. making sure that the DBA logo, agent license number, brokerage license number, and owner statement. You can see these three are not required, but strongly recommended. I would make sure any sort of marketing, especially if it's required in your market, is there. We're just going to make up a broker license number right now, but you would want to make sure you had the correct brokerage license number as well. I'm going to click on next, and it's going to generate this quick little video. You can see it'll take about 10 seconds. The video itself, again, it is animated. It is set to music, and it's about a minute long. It's a tad cheesy, but again, right now, it's better than anything I could create myself. And you can see how quickly I created that. So I'm going to go ahead and play the video so that way that you can actually see it, and then you'll know what it looks like for yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and click on save now that I've created that video. And now we are back inside of our designs library, and I've got a couple of options now. I can click on the three dots and I can choose to download this video. I can actually now use this video in campaigns. If you'll remember days 27 through 31, we talked about campaigns. This is now an asset that I could use in a social campaign, something along those lines. I can actually come in and share on social. This is going to take me back into campaigns, but into the social marketing. I can rename the file name, or I could even make a copy, or ultimately decide to delete this file if I choose to remake one or no longer need it in my library. So, quick and easy way, the first of 4 different design categories that we have in the Designs applet. We also have print-based designs, we have social-based designs, and then we have email-based designs. So stay tuned. We are going to cover all 3 of the remaining design types over the next several days. But today was just a short video on how to create a pretty simple and straightforward marketing video. Remember, if you farm multiple neighborhoods, you could create one of these videos for each one of those neighborhoods, potentially post them in, say, a Facebook neighborhood group, send it out as a marketing touch to everyone in your database that has a tag for that neighborhood. A lot of different options that you could do with these quick and simple video-based designs inside of Command. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day, and as always, I look forward to speaking with you again real soon.